Good morning, everyone. How y'all doing? Today I am going to, for the first time, I have never propagated plants until recently. And I have some English ivy, marble queen pothos, electric lime coleus, and merlot lavender. Real quick, I was going to show you the difference between I've needed to do this for a long time. Look how these roots have been growing. This one, I just started, maybe a week ago. So that tells you this is long overdue. I need to get this potted up. This, I broke by accident when I was planting it. So this has been in here for a few weeks and you can see the roots growing. And then of course, this has been in here way too long. This has a lot of roots. So I just wanted to show you the difference. It does not take very long for these to start growing. So this will be the first time we'll see how it works. I am hoping with this. So when I planted this in front of the Merit Supreme hydrangeas and I was pulling the hose out, I accidentally broke this off. And I thought, I wonder if I can propagate it. I can't overwinter these. I mean, they don't overwinter. That's what I'm trying to say. I've tried it before and they just don't, they die out. And then, so they're pretty much an annual here for us. Well, what I'm hoping is potting this up, keeping this inside over winter, slowly breaking off a few branches or stems, slowly propagating them over the course of winter, and then come early spring, I'm hoping that I'll have enough of them I can replant just in front of the hydrangeas over here. I have my potting soil, peat moss, perlite. I'm gonna put it all in here, get it all wet, fill them all up. I'm not sure which topiary form I'm gonna use because I want to make this into a topiary. In fact, let me go grab my huge heart topiary that I've been growing for a few months to show you what I'm hoping this will turn into be. Hang on, I'll be right back. So this is a topiary form that I purchased well over 25 years ago in Ventura, down in Southern California. And I had it for the longest time. I bought it with an ivy on it. And when we moved here, somehow during the move, it just didn't make it. It didn't survive. And so over the years, I've tried to grow an ivy. I have found for me that English ivy grows best outside. And I know that sounds odd because today we're going to be 108 or 109. So it's super early in the morning. For some reason, I don't know if it's just there's not enough humidity inside of our house, but every time I have these in the house, they just don't do as well as outside. And so what I normally do with my topiaries, I have them out in the patio so they get a little bit of indirect sun, never direct sun. So you can tell I need to kind of feed some more of these vines, kind of trim it up, but I think it's coming along. It started out just with a small little plant. I don't know if you can see on this side. It just started out with a small plant. And I'm telling you, English ivy, well, it doesn't take long for it to grow like this. So let me get all set up and we'll get going. What I have here, if you can tell, is the perlite, the peat moss, and then underneath the potting soil. So I'm gonna mix it up, add a little bit of water before I put it in my pots. This English ivy looks a little bit droopy, and it will look like that for about a day. And then come tomorrow morning, these will all be perky and look a little bit more defined. I've done this before, and it will bounce back. I think this is gonna stay outside. I think for now, I'm gonna keep these 3 inside. I have some other plants that I've purchased, angel vine, arrowhead holly. I think this is Photonia, is that how you say it? So I'm gonna go ahead and get these potted up, but I just wanted to show you that I have never propagated before, and I'm gonna keep you posted to let you know if these survived. I'm thinking that they're going to thrive a little bit more now that they're in some soil. So hopefully this will be pushing growth, and I can keep breaking some off and have a whole slew of them to put out early spring. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and we'll see you soon. Bye.